we talked about the Holy Spirit. We also talked about the role of the Holy Spirit, if you remember. So today we are going to look at the day of the Pentecost. The day of the Pentecost. And before we look at it, we are going to start by reading about it at the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 2, verse 1 to 11. Can we start? Yes, so it was when you're told to describe the day of the Pentecost. You are supposed to start with where the disciples were sitting in their room together. And then the Holy Spirit came to them in form of a mighty what? Wind. And they were all filled by the Holy Spirit. And how did they know that they were filled by there were like what? Tongues of fire on top of their what? Their heads. And then they started speaking in what? Different languages. Don't say tongues. They started first speaking in different languages. And the people were amazed, right? Yes. They were amazed. And then they started saying they were what? Drunk. They were all drunk. Then all of a sudden Peter became very courageous and told them that they were not what? Drunk. Yes, they were not drunk. So from the day of the Pentecost, when Peter said now they were not drunk, that showed that he had taken the leadership role. So from there, he told them the Holy Spirit had been fulfilled according to the prophecy of Joel. And that's why I was allowing us to read so that you can know what the prophecy talked about. Can we continue? Who was reading?
When the day of Pentecost had come, they were all together in one place. A sound came from heaven like the rush of a mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting.
Yeah, they gave thanks distributed restive and they were all filled with the Holy Spirit and began to speak as the Spirit gave them utterance.
Now they were dwelling in Jerusalem, Jews and Greeks, from every nation of heaven.
And as if the multitude come together, and they were
and they were amazed and wondered, saying, all are not all these who are speaking diligence?
And how is it that we hear each of us native language?
Just read what you're saying.
And from Syria, Egypt, and the parts of Libya belonging to C.R.E, and visitors from Rome.
Both? What are you doing? Give them time. I thought you told me we're in a C.R.E class and you're not patient and you're not godly right now. Time is being wasted. Yes. Can you please? We have to correct them with a lot of love. Yes.
And visitors from Rome, both this and those
Brethren and Arabians were
Media, gathering everything and showing signs of the mighty works of God.
And all were amazed and perplexed, saying one another, what does this mean? But Peter, standing with the 11, lifted up his voice and addressed them, men of Judea, and all who dwell in Jerusalem, let peace be known to you, and give ear to my words.
For these men are not drunk, as you suppose, since it is only the third hour of the day.
But this is what was spoken by the prophet Joel in the last book in the Shabbat.
We have gone beyond, yes?